Welcome to Yogi Stretch Monday. My name is Adam. Today I am leading you through downward facing dog. Come to tabletop position, hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Curl the toes under with the hands spread, the fingers wide, weight distributed across the knuckles. Now press your shoulders away from the wrists, dropping the hips down towards the heels. Now lift the knees, raising the hips up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift the head, lift the hips even higher, straightening the legs. And exhale, press the hips back, press the heels down. Keep lifting the hips up higher, turn the outer edges of the feet parallel to the sides of the mat. Keep pressing the shoulders away from the wrists, shoulders wide. Press the shins back, press the knees back, hips high, lower ribs tucked in, shoulder blades hugging the back, moving towards the hips. Now inhale, release the knees, and exhale, child's pose. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you again next week.